Hey everybody, Jim Teal from Teal Truck Center in Pleasant Valley, Iowa. We are a car dealership on the very eastern side of Iowa, right along the Mississippi River, in an area called the Quad Cities, and only 2 miles off of Interstate 80. Super easy to get to. All right guys, so we today have just taken in this 2021 Jeep Gladiator Mojave edition with only 22,000 miles on it. This thing is sweet. All right, so if you're a Jeep guy, you know the Mojave is like the Rubicon, but maybe even a little better. So this one's pretty well loaded up. It's got the hard top. It is an automatic. It's got the lockers just like a Rubicon factory lift. If you look down there, we got Fox double shocks on the back, Fox shocks on the front. It's got the Rubicon style hood, that is factory. Rock sliders. Previous owner did put oversized BFG tires on this. He did that, I believe, at about 10,000 miles, so there's a lot of miles left in those. This one comes with a tow package, power slider rear window, WeatherTech bed liner. Again, this thing's 22,000 miles. It's a one owner, local trade. Super clean, guys. Full power on the inside. We got the big screen right there, backup camera. Again, 3-piece hardtop. Super cool seats. They've got this orange stitching. Cool tread pattern in the middle. There's the locker system right there. Power windows. This one does have the cold weather package, so we've got heated seats, heated steering wheel. Super nice, guys. Some nice extras on this one too. So 22,000 miles, one owner, Carfax certified, still has factory warranty left on this. I don't really see anything wrong with it, to be honest with you. Maybe I'm missing a tiny little scratch someplace, but it's awful nice, awful clean, guys. Well, as you know, at Teal Truck Center, Pleasant Valley, Iowa, we sell the nicest stuff at the best prices anywhere. So here we have a 2021 Mojave with only 22,000 miles on it, sitting on oversized wheel or oversized tires. It's got the tinted glass, lots of options, factory warranty. Book value, I believe, on this is well over 50. I think it's knocking the door at 52,000. We're gonna put this thing out there at 47,995. So nearly $4,000 under book on a super low mile Mojave. These things are tough to come by, tough to find, and this one, there's no excuses with this one. It's just super, super nice, just like all our stuff. So look us up on the web, guys. I got more pictures on our website at tealtrucks.com, THIEL trucks.com. You can give us a call at 563-424-2000. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and see all our inventory. We have a lot of nice trucks that come in and out, a lot of Jeeps, a lot of SUVs. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Till next time, have a good one.